Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6, no sound. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open search, type in control panel. In here, you wanna switch, if this is like this, you wanna switch it to large icons, find sound. Find your playback device, either if you're using headphones. In my case, now I'm on speakers. You wanna double click on it, go to levels, make sure that this is pushed to the max. You want to untick it. If it's like muted here, you want to unmute it. Go to advanced. You want to switch this to 4800 Hertz. Do a test. After done that, you can also disable the allow an application and give exclusive mode. After you've done all of that, go to spatial and make sure that is off. Click apply and exit out of this. The next thing you want to do is go to search again, type in run. In run, you want to type in MSInfo32. Look here for baseboard product, in my case B450 Gaming Pro. Now you want to go to Google, type in whatever it says for you. For me, it's Gaming Pro. Now click on the first link. It will be your motherboard manufacturer. Now go to support, drivers and downloads. Now go to drivers and now click on onboard audio. Make sure that you select the right Windows version and go to onboard audio, and then you want to download it and install it. And after that, all of that, and the last thing you want to do also is open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers, download the latest and greatest drivers, go to settings, go turn off the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on, and also go to system and disable the G-Sync if it's on, and then restart your PC after that, all of that, and the sound should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix no sound on Battlefield 6. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.